for monkey. M for moon. M for milk. M for map. M for mammoth. M for maze. M for money. M for magnet. M for mosquito. M for marbles. M for mushroom.